Hello students, in this video you will learn how we can reference administration with the multiple instantiation, as well as you will see an example of aggregation. In the last video I have discussed about the aggregation as well as the reference administration with the multiple instantiation. That means how we can refer your multiple instantiation and can store the number of objects or append the number of objects into a table, and the table which are referring to the class. As well as you will see in this video how we can aggregate all of the objects into a table. So let us we start. Go to SE38. I am using here the previous program that I have discussed in the last video, and the video description is mentioned in my description box, so you can see that. And please subscribe to my channel so that I can make further videos for you. Now this is my previous program. Now I am going to change it. So this is our class local student, and in this we have two sections, public section and private sections. In the public sections I am declaring the methods get data and display data. Get data is taking the parameters name1, roll underscore number 1 and branch 1, and display data is taking nothing parameters, that is importing and exporting is not there. Now in the private section we have declared attributes. Now come to the implementation part. You can see now we are going to define the method. The first method get underscore data, in which we are going to transfer the actual data to the attributes of the class, and in display data we are going to display the name of the student, roll number of the student, branch of the students in respective of the attributes of the class. Now come to the parameters. We have defined the parameters, so these are the global parameters, global data. Now this is our start of selection, which tells the compile that the main program is being starting from here. Now for calling the particular method of a class we need to create the object, and before creating the object firstly we need to create the reference variable, and reference variable we generally create with the help of data statement. Data, then reference variable name student underscore 1, then type refer to the class name. In my case you can see the class name is LCL underscore student. Now for creating the object we use the statement create object student underscore 1. Now if we want to call the methods of this particular class, how we can call with the help of objects. So object is our here student underscore 1, and then get data and passing the actual parameters. Why we are exporting here? Because in this exporting, when we will export the actual parameter, that will be get by the importing parameters. So you can see that we are exporting here name, roll number and branch. Now we are going to call the display data, which will further display the name, roll number and branch of the student. Now come to the part of this reference administration with the multiple instantiation. How we can reference with the multiple instantiations? For making it, firstly we need to create the table. So how we can create the table? I am talking here about the internal table. For creation of the internal table, we create like this one. Suppose I am going to create the table which will contain the number of students, that means number of students objects. So this is our GT underscore student is our table name, then type table of, then refer to class name, and the class name is same LCL underscore student. So by this way you can create the internal table. Now once you have created the internal table, now we need to append these objects. So here we have created the one object of student underscore 1. So if you want to append that object into the table, we can use append keyword, append, and then object name. In my case the object name is student underscore 1 to the table name, and table name we have taken GT underscore students. So here we have append one object of the class student. Now if you want to create another object, you can also create, and for creating the another object, again we can use student underscore 2 and then type refer to, because before creation of the object we first need to create the reference variable. Either we can use the same statement, that is student to type refer to LCL underscore student, or either you can also use student to like student underscore 1, which will copy the data type refer to of the local student to the student underscore 2. Now here we have created the reference variable. Now if you want to create the another object, so use the statement create object student underscore 2, and then if you want to append that object into the table, use append addition, and then object name student underscore 2 to table name GT underscore students. So by this way you can append the another object. Now click on the save button and check for the errors. Now you can see one error we have found, GT underscore student is not defined because we have used here the period. This is a continuous statement, so we will use here comma. Now click on the save button, check for the errors and then activate it. Now we have append two objects into a table GT underscore student, which is an example of the aggregation. Or if you want to create the number of objects in one go, then you can use the loop like do n times loop. So this was an example of the reference administration with the multiple instantiation and an example of the aggregation. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to videos. If you really like my videos, please press the like button.